Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase x from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and draw the face. We'll start with 2 angled lines down for the inside of the eyebrows. Then for the bottom, let's angle it up and out. Then from the center, let's bring it down, forming a small point. Then up for the top. And now let's close off the ends. And now let's color these both in black. Next, at the ends, let's draw 2 more lines. That's it for the eyebrows. Next, let's move down and draw the eyes with 2 ovals. And then let's color both of these in black. Next, let's hop to the outside and draw a curve down and in on both sides. And then curved lines underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the mouth. Underneath in the center, let's draw an upside down V shape. Then underneath in the middle, let's draw a square shape below for the tooth. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the body. Let's hop up and start at the top, and let's draw 2 lines coming down to a point. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And again, let's do the same thing on both sides. Now let's close off the 4 ends with a curved line. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's add some details. Let's start in the top left and let's draw 2 curved lines across. And the same thing in the top right. Next, let's draw the pieces of bandana coming out from the top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve over to the right, stopping here. And then let's do the same thing above it. And now let's close off the end. Next, inside, let's start at the bottom and let's draw another curve about halfway down and then flick it up at the end. And now let's draw another piece of the bandana going down on the bottom right. Let's start with a curve down. Then another one next to it. And then close off the end. And lastly, one more curve inside in the same way as the one above. And that's it for lowercase x. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!